Hello, friends. Sorry, I'm recording this on a Friday afternoon and I am super tired. So I'm going to try to get this done and not mess up my words. So if I make a mistake, just remember that you love me because I'm a princess. Okay, now that I'm done being dork-ish, silly. Don't call people names, but sometimes if you're making fun of yourself, it's okay. It's funny. All right, we're going to get started with our actual math class now. Don't you guys just love this? I'm probably going to turn this into a blooper. Yeah, that's probably going to happen. All right. Hi, friends. Welcome to math class. Today, we are going to be learning about fractions on a number line. And, oh, bless it. I don't know where my eraser went. Pause. All righty. So today we're learning about fractions on a number line. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure you have your whiteboard and a marker or paper and pencil. All right, so we're going to be drawing 2/4. So I'm going to write the fraction 2/4. This marker, it doesn't work. Get it out of here. Let's grab another one. I will pick that up later. I don't like mess. Okay, 2/4. Much, much better. So 2/4. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start at 0. And we know that 2 is less than 4, so the fraction is less than 1. So I'm going to put a 1 right here. Now, let's remember what our numerator means. Numerator means the parts that we have. And the denominator is all the pieces in the whole. Parts over the whole. So look at your denominator. This means you have to have this many equal sections or jumps. So I'm going to look at my 0 to 1, and I'm going to cut it in the middle, half. Now I'm going to take each half, and I'm going to cut that into half. Boing, boing. Okay. Now, I know it's not perfect, but just go with me here. So I've got 2/4. I need 4 equal jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ding, ding, 4. Now I can go 0/4, 1/4, and 2/4. Now, we know that 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Sometimes on a number line, you might think, this seems a little bit more difficult, Miss Gerald. I don't know if I can do it, but I want you to have a growth mindset and remember that you can do it. So imagine when we use food, math makes sense. We know, Miss Gerald, you say it all the time. But imagine if we had, I'm going to turn this number line into candy. So here's my chocolate bar. Now, if I color half of my chocolate bar, 2/4 of my chocolate bar is now dark black. And that is half. See how easy that was? Yeah. 2/4 is equal to 1/2. Okay. Next fraction. This time, I am going to give you the number line, and you, my friends, are going to tell me the names of each fraction. So here's 0, and here's 1. So we're going to label all the lines on this fraction bar, or fraction number line. So the first thing we have to do is figure out our denominator. The denominator is all the pieces in the whole. That's right. The denominator is all the pieces in the whole. I'm really ready for class to be back to normal because talking to myself like this is starting to get a little bit concerning. Oh, Miss Gerald. So we're going to count our jumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal jumps. Or kind of equal. I'm not a computer. Just go with it. So this would be 0, 6. And that means the whole number, if I had all the jumps on the number line, would be 6 out of 6. So 6, 6, 6, 6. Might need the speech teacher to help Mr. O out. I might be having some issues. Goodness. Okay, now we're going to go to each one. So the numerator represents the parts. So if I only went to this part, that would be 1 out of 6. The next one would be 2 out of 6. 3 out of 6 and put a star under that if you're following along with me, because the star is going to tell you something. 3 is half of 6. So if 3 is half of 6, then 3/6 must be equal to, you got it, 1/2. Okay, keep going. Then we have 4 out of 6 and 5 out of 6. And now you have correctly labeled fractions on a number line. Okay, now time for you to do one on your own. First step, erase through this work. Second step, start at 0, go to 1. Third step, write down the fraction 3/8. 3/8. Now you're going to pause the video and make the fraction 3/8. I'll wait. Did you pause it? Pause it. And then when you're done, unpause and we'll do it together. Oh, you're back. Great. Now let's go over 3/8. So denominator tells me how many equal jumps we should make. So I've got my 8 here. And I'm going to go right in the middle, just like that. Then I'm going to cut each half into halves. Boing, boing. When I look at that, I see that I have 4 jumps now. So I know if I had 4 brownies and I needed 8, I would just cut each one of those brownies into half. Same thing with this. So I'm going to take each of my 4ths and cut them into 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So to check myself, I'm going to make sure that I have 8 equal jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, this would be 8/8. I know to find 3/8, I have to have 3 equal jumps out of 8. So 1, 2, 3. 3/8. Did you get it right? It's okay if you didn't. Check your work and pause it if you need to fix. Okay, so that's all we have for this video. We're just practicing fractions on a number line. You can do it. Now, on the next slide, there's going to be a problem that you can solve on your own, and then you're going to turn it in. All right, friends, have a great day. Thanks for sharing your time with me. And guess what? We made it through another learning lesson. Yay! Have a great day, friends. Learn a lot. Bye.